is Yuni Sintiasari. I will convey my understanding from the article entitled The Power of Branding. From the article above, it can be concluded that creating of a brand on a product is highly recommended as a form of strong recognition of ownership of the product. In other words, branding a product is a symbol that recognition the product. The main idea is paragraph 1, building a brand for a project as a status symbol. Paragraph 2, the brand is a kind of label, a device for creating recognition. Paragraph 3, the value of brand recognition is enormous. Paragraph 4, an extremely successful brand might become an enduring part of a culture. Paragraph 5, Naschar is in business to organize, authorize, and sell related products. But its brand is about much more than that. Paragraph 6, Naschar has a connection to such a large segment of the population. It is a medium in itself. Paragraph 7, some customers adopt a brand image as their own image. Paragraph 8, a brand is made when a person really feels a connection with that brand. Paragraph 9, the origins of branding. The hot iron and the double joy seem not so far away.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Riksan. I will answer question number 1 and number 2. Number 1. The article discusses the importance and the power of branding in the business world, using examples from various industries to illustrate how branding can shape consumer perception, loyalty, and even cultural identity. It emphasizes the need for companies to build strong, recognizable brands in order to stay competitive and connect with consumers on the deeper level. Next, in the number 2, the main idea of the paragraph 1 is the importance of branding for a company that has been overshadowed by competition despite producing quality product. Next, and the main idea of the paragraph 2 is to explain the origin of the term brand and its connection to the positive of marking animal with a hot iron to create a distinct mark. Next, the main idea of the paragraph 3 is the enduring power and prestige of the Rolls-Royce brand, which is synonymous with classic luxury and Britishness. Next, the main idea of the paragraph 4 is the highly successful brand can become deeply integrated into a culture, but this can lead to contrasting outcomes. Next, the main idea of the paragraph 5 is the subcultures can develop around specific brand, using NASCAR an example. It highlights how NASCAR originally focused on organizing, authorizing, and selling related products, evolved its brand over time to appeal to a wider audience. Next, the main idea of the paragraph 6 is the NASCAR connection to a significant portion of the population makes it a valuable medium for generation revenue. Next, the main idea of the paragraph is the 7 is that where curtain strong brand. The line between the promotional image and personal identity can blur. Next, the main idea of the paragraph 8 is that the success of the Harley-Davidson motorcycle company has significantly influenced in the biker subculture in the United States.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Putri Fauzia from the group 8. In this video, I will tell you about what I already know about the article and the main idea each paragraph on the article. So here is about the article. This article tells us about the power of branding some product or a brand. Branding is related to a symbol or logo from the company that produced the product, because a unique symbol or logo from a brand has a big influence on the product image. For example, on this text, Rolls-Royce equated by people with classic luxury and their recognition value is enormous. And when the Rolls company from Greenwood, England was bought by the German company BMW. BMW was very careful not to change anything about the Rolls company, because Rolls-Royce was a successful brand that might become an enduring part of a culture. Subcultures can form around a certain brand. For example, NASCAR, or the National Association for Stock Car Auto Racing, is in business to organize auto race and sell related products. Initially, NASCAR could only reach one place. Then the company revised its branding so that it could reach more subcultures. Harley-Davidson was a successful brand of motorcycle company because it got the biker subcultures in the United States and promoted as a symbol of patriotism with black and orange logo has become very personal. Harley-Davidson CEO Jim Zimmer told on his interview that a brand is made when a person feels a connection with that brand. And then I will tell you about the main idea of each paragraph on this article. Paragraph 1, you have to build a brand by rebranding your old product with something new and making sure consumers understand the message. Paragraph 2, branding in product is also all about recognition. Paragraph 3, branding that has luxury and classic values gets huge branding recognition. Paragraph 4, as the story of Rolls-Royce shows, an extremely brand may become an enduring part of culture. Paragraph 5, subcultures can form around a certain brand. Paragraph 6, because NASCAR has a connection to such a large segment of the population. And then paragraph 7, some customer may adopt a brand's image as their own image. And then the last paragraph, paragraph 8, a brand is made when a person really feels a connection with that brand. Thank you.
The article is tell about the importance of branding in shaping consumer perceptions, creating strong connections with target audiences, and differentiating companies in competitive markets. It highlights how successful brands like Rolls-Royce, Harley-Davidson, and NASCAR have effectively leveraged branding to establish themselves as iconic symbols within their respective industries and subcultures. The main idea in the first paragraph is the importance of building a brand that will restore the company's product and image on the market. The second paragraph, the origin and purpose of branding. The third paragraph, the recognition value of the Rolls-Royce brand is enormous, which is synonymous with classical luxury. The next paragraph, an extremely successful brand might become an enduring part of a culture. The next paragraph, subcultures can form around a certain brand, using NASCAR as an example. The next paragraph, NASCAR is a medium in its own right
because of its connection to an important part of the population. The next paragraph. The customers may confuse the brand's promotional image from their own personal identity. And the last paragraph. The significant impact of Harley-Davidson branding on the U.S. subculture of bikers.